So what's going on YouTube? Today we're gonna look at this very unique coffee table for your living room. And pretty much this has everything that you need, including a refrigerator. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone as well. And hit the like button. Thanks for supporting the channel all this time, hitting the 100K and past 150K now, almost 200K. So let's keep going and let's go on with the review. Here we go. So here it is. This is from Sobro. And pretty much when you open this, boom, there's a fridge in there. Get your cold drinks right in there. Now if you go to this side right here, there's compartments where I put all my kind of cables and controllers, remotes, and all that. There's another kind of cabinet here where you can put albums, or you can put your snacks here as well. Soft close as well, as you could see there. Now here you see a glass top. Very durable, very nice looking. Touch panel up here with increasing the volume because it is a Bluetooth speaker as well. You can increase the temperature or lower the temperature for the fridge. You can even lock the button so you don't accidentally change it. So you could see there. You could change it so it's a timer as well. Put lights, turn on lights and whatnot. There you go. You can have lights on the bottom as well. You could change the color of the lights as well. This backside is a Bluetooth speaker, so you can connect this to your TV or your phone if you want to listen to music or the movies. On the side here, there's a couple of USB ports and a headphone jack in the middle as well for aux if you want to use it for music. To take it out the cover, you can plug in right there. And on the other side, it has that too. Put it back, it's super easy. Right there. As you can see on this side, it has that as well. So we have our phone here. We're gonna go to Bluetooth and connect the Sobro right there. As you can see there, we are connected. Let's go ahead and try out some music here. As you could see there, it's playing on the Sobro. You can lower the volume off there. You can also do it on the panel up here. Now let's try this bass boosting. I love this music, so I'm just gonna do the bass boosted non-copyright here, so you guys can tell the bass if it's really good. Let's increase the volume. Another option is to connect it to your TV. Pretty much we're just gonna go with devices here and then go down to Bluetooth. And then we're gonna pair the Sobro with our Apple TV. And as you could see, it is connected. Now let's go ahead and play some movies and see if there's a lag or anything like that, so you guys can see the sound and it's usable as a sound bar as well. Let's try playing some Netflix here.
자기가 관리를 열심히 하는 편이라서 몸에 대한 자신감이 있습니다.
The American Superstore. What?
Quality, I mean, compared to...
Yeah. Oh, hey, look, I get that you're complimenting me, but it might sound a little condescending, so, you know.
Oh, yeah, thanks. No, I wouldn't want to sound condescending
Yeah.
in front of somebody who works here.
Right.
Hey, can I run out for 2 minutes? This thing is kicking my bladder like it owes him money.
How about some YouTube videos?
Isolation chamber. And we're gonna see if these two strangers can survive in this chamber for the next 100 days. They have
larger TV. That's what I want. I'm excited, man. All right. So I think all we have to do is take the stuff down, kind of clear out the area, and then bring the bad boy in here. All right. All right. Cool, man.
So yeah, there you have it. This is the Sobro fridge, coffee table, whatever you want to call it. There is a different version as well of this where it has 2 compartments. I kind of like this one because it's a bigger fridge. That one has both fridges, but it's just 2 sides. For me, that's okay because this is a better version just because of how it has a bigger compartment and you can use it for just storage on the other side. Now there is a version as well of this where it has a wireless charger on the top. I don't have that here, so yeah, let me know what you think of this fridge, of this coffee table. Very unique, right? And I think it's well worth it for the price. It is a little bit pricey, of course, but if you look at it in a sense where you're buying a fridge, it is actually pretty cheap. And what you get out of it with the speakers as well, it's really good. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. So again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!